Look at these views, everybody. Oh, which one of those boats do you want? Well, you probably would love your own white sandy beach. Well, guess what? We've got it for you right here. Look at that. I am standing on Naisoso Island right near the Nandi International Airport on the main island of Viti Levu right here in Fiji. 333 islands. And oh man, I got something incredible for you. I'm standing on almost 2/3 of an acre right here. This is literally just half the lot, and right behind all these queen palms is the other half of the lot. But these owners have set up a nice, beautiful 1-bedroom compound, nice little place right here on Naisoso, and they have plans, and they're saying, you know what? Now somebody else can take this vision and make it their own reality. But look at that. You literally have white sandy beaches, palm trees, blue skies, and you're literally on Nandi Bay, and you can literally jet right out there to the Mamanutha and the Asawa Islands and some of the best fishing, snorkeling, scuba diving, and that cloud break surfing that everybody's been talking about, all right out there. And of course, all the 5-star resorts are waiting there for you as well. Walk with me, come inside. You're gonna wanna go to professionalsfiji.com to see the full video and find out more about this spectacular opportunity on Naisoso Island, oceanfront property. That's right. Okay, beautiful tiled double fans here overlooking the beach, the palm trees. 155 square meters, 1 bedroom here. You have a really great pass-through right here. And this was built late 2018 is when they finished it up. And I'm gonna walk you through so you can see what you have. So if you're looking to build that big dream home, these owners have plans already, or you can make your own plans. But in the meantime, you have a place that you can come and stay. Here you have this nice security meshing out there, a nice little grass area to the side yard. All the air cons are just for this 1 bedroom, but you could stack your air cons all in here in a backup generator once you build your big, huge dream home like they're doing right across the street from us. Here you have a double car enclosed garage, Merlins. You can see the recessed LED lights. This is extra wide, 7x7 meter. Nice polished concrete here. Plenty of parking, Naisoso Island. Like I said, 10 to 15 minutes from the international airport in Nandi, close to everything. If you're coming here full-time or part-time and you want luxury, this is it. Look, you have even your double stacked washer dryer, the Beko and the Samsung, and then you have your Samsung fridge, Fisher Paykel oven, lots of nice built-in storage here, all custom done, a lot of imported materials in this place. But look at that. I mean, hello, this is literally just like a nice 1 bedroom, so you can come out here and while you're approving your plans for your big, huge house, all right here, you have a great place to stay on this private, secured, gated island in Nandi. And here you have all this is like beyond cyclone rated glass, so you don't even need the extra louvers, but you do have these roller shades that will go down and give you that additional privacy. 3 aircon units in here in the bedroom, living room, and in the bathroom as well. A couple nice flat screen TVs from Samsung. Let me show you the bedroom. Beautiful wardrobes here with that nice vanity mirror. There's those roller shades, again, aircon and TV. This place is set up, I'm telling you, custom doors. There's the aircon in the bathroom. Beautiful, ideal standard imported sink fixture. Lovely tile. I love this. I mean, this thing is so sweet. Look at that. I mean, total resort style right there with the rain shower and the wand, private toilet area. And this house also has the ventilation system. You have one here, you have one here. I'm going to show you over here too. You have one on this side, and you also have one over here. So if and when there was inclement weather, those vents will allow you to keep the place totally safe. So if there were a cyclone or something like that, you're going to be totally safe and sound in here. And they even have, let me just come back here really quick. They even have a little comms area here. Look, all their communications here, Apple TV. If you want to put Sky TV in here, you can do that as well. And then Starlink satellites from Elon Musk should be coming here to Fiji soon, and you can set that up. So you're going to get rocking internet here with 4G already. So you can tell how excited I am about this place. And I know you are going to be too. Very rare opportunity on the main island. We get so many calls from all over the world, from Australia, from New Zealand, from America, from Canada, from all over Asia. People saying, Baron, we want white sandy beaches on the main island. We want it to be relatively close to the airport so that we can do our business. We can come in from our home countries and just enjoy ourselves, get out on the water. And look at this. It's a little cloudy today. Down the track there, you have Wailoaloa Beach, Nandi International Airport to the left, going out to Denarau Island, all right out there. And then right here, you can see some of the islands. This is the Mamanutha Islands, just going straight out that way. Oh, look, there's one of the cruise ships over there you can see as well. So P&O cruise ships, Carnival, some others are now making their way back to Fiji, but look at this house next door. Boom. You can make that right here. So this will give you a vision of what you can do on this property right now. So over 2,000 square meters right here. And definitely go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. Look, white sandy beaches, grass play area for the kids already. I mean, come on. This has everything you can think of. I am so excited about this thing. You should be too. We look forward to seeing you here in Fiji and making your dreams a reality. And don't worry, if you need help with builders and architects and maybe getting a car or jet skis, boats, all those fun things, we can do that for you too. So I'm going to be sitting right there looking at that view right there, waiting for you to get here and join us. All right. I hope you took great notes. Play this video back. Get your family and friends together, because right here is where you guys are going to be hanging out really soon, right here in Fiji. All right. Talk to you soon. Vinaka. Thank you. Mode. And Sotatale. No worry, no hurry. See you. We're chilling on Fiji time. Vinaka.